How to fix echo on Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the echo on Android phones can be caused by a variety of factors, and the steps to fix it might vary depending on the specific circumstances. Go ahead and try the following basic troubleshooting steps to solve the problem. Lower the volume. Reducing the volume can sometimes help mitigate the echo. Test with different apps. If the echo occurs only with a specific app, try using a different one to see if the issue persists. Use headphones or earphones. Using them can help prevent audio feedback and reduce echo. Restart your phone. A simple restart can solve many temporary issues, including audio problems. Use a different network. Poor network connection can lead to echo, so try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data if you suspect this is the issue. Clean the microphone and speaker, as this can affect the sound quality, so make sure to use a soft brush or compressed air to clean them. Check for software updates. Ensure your Android phone's operating system and apps are up to date, as updates often include bug fixes. Check for external factors. Ensure there are no external factors causing the echo. Factory reset. If none of the previous steps work, you might consider a factory reset as a last resort. Remember to back up your data before doing this. Contact customer support. If the problem persists and none of the previous steps worked, you should reach out to the manufacturer or your phone's customer support for further assistance. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix echo on Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.